I know they do with it, folks. It's your boy Zay. Y'all see what I got in my head?
Hey, this part of the video right here. Hey, if you around your people, I advise you put some headphones. I got y'all. Hey, we're back to the video. You feel me?
You already know who in the cut. It's that boy Marley the Don, aka Who You Mar _ Instagram. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, look, bro. You know what we had to do. Bro. Kato, bro, show them what you got, bro. My whole team eat. You feel me? And look, you know we got the fries. All right, look. I lost my freaking SIM card, but it's all good. You know. All right. First impressions. Let's go ahead and do this thing.
I'll go ahead on around.
All right.
Wait, you couldn't bite yet.
No, fuck that. I mean, it's alright. Alright. We parked in the parking lot too.
Hey, look. Hey, look, put.
Yeah.
Chill, man.
Alright, it's straight. It'll be crispy. Alright, bro. Alright,
count down, bro.
Fuck a countdown.
Alright, come on, get 3, 2, 1.
Now, this is epic.
Damn, now you know that shit good. Straight silence in this bitch.
Oh shit. Damn.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just changed my life. This shit is a life changer. Fuck!
Alright, you go first.
You know how food hot and you be trying to breathe and eat at the same time, you be like, you know what? Hey, alright. It's
Your
crispy.
view. Your view.
I like the bread. The sauce, it's tough. But I give it 10 out of 10. I give it the 10 out of 10. Oh,
I had to go one more bite before I did it. Feel me? Hey,
you about to be dry.
this joint slap. Hey,
You can pull your seat.
this joint slap. Hey, bread sauce. Chicken, you know Popeyes chicken is good anyway. So, this about I ain't giving it a 10 now, I'm giving it a 9. It can be better. It can.
I
A
mean,
little bit more mayonnaise.
I feel like we are in something though.
It's slap.
We are.
Go ahead, kiddo. What's up with the sandwich, bro? What's up with the sandwich, bro?
Yeah. That nigga ain't said a word this whole video. It's been about 3 minutes. His shit gone.
She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Alright. Come on. I had to stop the car. We still in the parking lot and everything, bro. We ain't even leave this motherfucker. We don't want to leave. I'm about to swing back through. But yeah, mukbang / last reunion with the little bro. You know what I'm saying? Riding around in the foreign. You know what I'm saying? How's that, bro? How you feel?
Yeah, shot,
Oh?
I recommend y'all to go get it, you feel me?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. This nigga breaking the law to get a damn sandwich. Nigga out here breaking the law to get a damn sandwich. Shit. That bitch said, fuck the lane. Oh,
That bitch-
shit. Y'all got
That
shit
bitch
this
straight
line,
through the lane.
You got shit this line. They stopped the world for a chicken sandwich.
Driving on your corner. They know I'm going fast. They know I did the dash.
Mhm.
They know I got the cash.
Mhm.
We 50 on the bet. Pull up on you with the shit. Yeah, you know I got the bet.
Look, yeah. Just ate the fucking sandwich. Yeah, that shit was good. Yeah,
Good.
damn, all fresh from the hood.
From the hood.
Yeah, I ate the fucking sandwich.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't rap.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Yeah, I'ma fuck your baby.
Yeah.
I'ma ski in the face. And I'm driving, nigga. This is what I do. Hey, Molly on the track. Don't worry about it.
Sign him a record deal. Already.
Don't sign me. I'm ass. I ain't gonna care. All right, let's go.
Yeah, they Popeye sandwich. Yeah, that joint was good. Like, comment, subscribe, or pull up in your hood.
Slime, slack.
Yep.
Slack.